Hello children, welcome back to the phonics class. Today's class we are going to learn about the letter V, sound of V, and let's listen to a small story of letter V and see a few words that starts with the letter V. So, do you all know what is the sound of the letter V? V, V, where your teeth should touch your inner lower lip. Okay, and you will have a little bit of vibration. V, or you can even say V. V. Okay, now let's see the uppercase V and the lowercase v. Now this is the uppercase V and the lowercase v. Now let's listen to a small story for the letter V, children. Once there lived a girl named Veena. What's the girl's name, children? Veena. Veena loves to play violin. Veena loves to play violin. And Veena goes to her village for vacations to see her uncle and auntie. Veena had a lovely violet colored dress and she used to wear this dress every time and dance happily whenever she wears the violet color frock. Veena with her friends used to travel in the van. And Veena loves to play volleyball with her friends. What does she love? Volleyball. Now let's see a few words that starts with the letter V. Was, vegetables, vegetables, volcano, volcano, vulture, vulture, vacuum, vacuum.
This is the letter V for fan. For violin.
Let's learn how to write the letter V. V as in vulture. We'll start with uppercase or big V. To write uppercase V, we'll start at the top and do a diagonal line down. Then we'll do a diagonal line back up. Good job! Let's do that again. We'll start at the top and do a diagonal line down. Then we'll do a diagonal line back up. Good job! Now you try. Good job! Now let's move on to lowercase or little v. To write lowercase v, we'll start in the middle and do a diagonal line down. Then we'll do a diagonal line back up. Good job! Let's do that again. We'll start in the middle and do a diagonal line down. Then we'll do a diagonal line back up. Good work! Now you try. Good job! Now you know how to write the letter V.
Now tell me what is the sound of the letter V, children? V. V. So we have learnt about the letter V, the sound of the letter V, and the small story for the letter V, and we have seen few words that starts with the letter V. And we have also seen how to write the letter V, uppercase V and the lowercase v. Bye bye children. See you with another letter in the next class.